Elevating HR, overcoming administrative perceptions to attain strategic prowess. In the dynamic currents of today's business landscape, human resources management, HRM, grapples with a series of challenges on its journey to attain strategic influence within organizations. Among the hurdles, one of the most pressing is the need to overcome ingrained administrative perceptions that have traditionally relegated HRM to a mere paperwork and compliance function. In the evolving narrative, organizations are awakening to the untapped potential of HRM as a strategic contributor to business success. Shifting mindsets from transactional to strategic. The primary challenge lies in shifting the perception of HRM from a transactional entity to a strategic force. Traditionally confined to administrative tasks, HRM must break free from these shackles and position itself as an integral part of the decision-making process. By aligning HR strategies with the overarching goals and objectives of the organization, HR professionals can showcase their ability to contribute meaningfully to organizational effectiveness and competitiveness. Embracing data-driven competence. Another significant challenge is the imperative for HRM to enhance its analytical and data-driven capabilities. To be recognized as a strategic partner, HR professionals must equip themselves with the skills to analyze data, identify trends, and make informed, data-driven decisions. Data analytics in HRM is not merely a technological trend, but a powerful tool for providing insights into critical areas such as workforce planning, talent acquisition, and employee engagement, all pivotal for the success of the organization. Cultivating stakeholder relationships, building trust and credibility. Establishing robust relationships with key stakeholders is paramount to navigating the path to strategic influence. HR professionals need to actively engage with top management, line managers, and employees, cultivating trust and credibility. By showcasing a deep understanding of the business and demonstrating their ability to contribute meaningfully, HR professionals position themselves as valued partners in strategic decision-making processes. Conclusion: transforming perception into strategic power. Unlocking the potential of HR requires strategic alignment, analytical mindset. It is possible to transform HR from a mere administrative function into a strategic partner capable of driving organizational success. In the rapidly changing world of HR, breaking free from traditional perceptions is essential for positioning HR as an influential force in the organization's strategic narrative.